Okay, this is... What day is this technically? Do we count days by cycling or like the
No,
day off?
just days.
Oh, fuck. So the last cycling day was day 6, which means 7, 8. It's day 8. We cycled a bit over 100k from Bologna to wherever we are. Don't know.
Yeah, where are we?
Somewhere. Halfway between, bit over halfway between Bologna and Venice, that's for sure. First 50k before lunch today. We started a bit late as well. Felt really tough. It was windy, really flat, but windy, and just really felt like complete shit.
We're in Mardi Margo, by the way.
Mardi Margo. And then, honestly, weren't sure how we could go. After lunch, there was like a nice elevated, not even trail, more like just a road next to the river.
Yeah.
It was really nice, and we just cranked out like 50.
Yeah.
It was as simple as that.
It was like 2.5 hours.
Which we normally don't do because we normally just can't just stay on the bike and keep the Ks that easily. And so it's pretty chill. We booked a cheap hotel in the town next to Venice to take the bus into Venice. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon, possibly the morning after, who knows. So that's that. You know,